Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you an easy manicure routine for healthier and cleaner looking nails. So please keep on watching. First of all, remove any traces of nail polish from your nails, and if you're not wearing any, then congratulations, you can skip to the next step right away. Now this is the time to trim or shape your nails. I have a video on that already, but do not do it after the manicure because water will tend to weaken your nails. Take lukewarm water, but don't burn your hands, in a bowl where you can dip your fingers and hand properly and comfortably and add a little bit of antiseptic in it. Next, add a tiny drop of a mild shampoo and then mix everything properly. Now your fingers are ready to go inside the water, but be careful, you must not keep your nails inside the water for more than 3 minutes. Maximum it can be 5 minutes, but not more than that, otherwise the water will damage your nails because water tends to weaken the nails and you really don't want that. Take a soft toothbrush, not the one you brush your teeth with, and clean the underside and round the nails properly. Now pat your hands dry with a clean dry towel because we are getting ready for the next step. Now this step is optional because it's only for those who have yellowish nails, and you can try rubbing a lemon or toothpaste on your nails because both of these are whitening or bleaching agents. But I must tell you that this is not a necessary step because it may cause more damage than good on your nails, and yellow nails are not unhealthy. They do not affect your nail in any way, and if you don't believe me, you can watch Simply Naillogical's video, that is Christine's video on this topic, and it may look ugly appearance wise, other than that it's nothing. So gently brush your nails to help in the cleaning process, and after that wash your hands once again, but do not use the old water that you used for your manicure in the first time. Take a bowl of room temperature water and wash your hands. Your nails will literally look a lot brighter and cleaner after this, and I noticed that both lemon and toothpaste does the same job. Now pat your hands with the towel once again, but do not make it completely dry. The next step will be scrubbing. You can use any scrub or you can make a DIY scrub as I am using here. I have made it with coffee and honey. I've used a similar scrub in my pedicure video as well. So it works really well, and after you're done scrubbing, just wash your hand properly and once again tap your hands dry. Next, I'm applying some good old Boroline to soften my cuticles. You can use any cuticle softener, but Boroline works really great and it's really cheap and you don't really need to buy anything else. Leave it on for half an hour and then gently push the cuticles back using a cuticle pusher or a wooden stick like I am doing. And after that, just scrape off your cuticles or cut your cuticles as you wish, but make sure that you're always walking gently, otherwise you may damage your nails. Boroline not only helps to soften the cuticles but also moisturizes your hand, and it's also antiseptic, hence it's a great product for this. And don't forget to clean the underside of your nails as well, but make sure that those parts are not dry. Make sure you moisturize those parts beforehand as well. Now it's important to remove any trace of oil or moisturizer from the nail bed, otherwise your nail polish will not stick on it and will not be long lasting. So you can moisturize the rest of your finger but not your nails, and I will just show you an unedited before and after picture so that you can see for yourself how the manicure has changed my nails. It's advisable to wear nail polish to help protect your nails from damage. So start by wearing a base coat to help stick the nail polish better and also to protect your natural nails. Then apply the nail polish of your choice, and finally apply a good quality top coat, and don't forget to seal the edge as well to make your manicure long lasting. Now you may stop here or do some nail art, but don't forget to apply some cuticle oil on your nails. And in a previous video I have already talked about the proper way of applying cuticle oil and why it's important, so you may check that out. So that will be it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it and got some help from it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and share this with your friends and tell them to like and subscribe my video. See you guys, bye.